Hi everyone, it's Øyvind Martinsen here. In this short video I will show you the effect of a polarizing filter. A polarizing filter is attached in front of the lens. If you want to deepen the color of the blue sky, the filter works best when you have the sun at 90 degrees to the lens. For example, if you have blue sky and white clouds, you will increase the contrast by darkening the blue sky. The polarizing filter can also remove reflections on blank surfaces, for example on lakes, sea, wet vegetation and windows. You will also get a better color saturation, and you have to rotate the filter to obtain the wanted effect. And what you see in the viewfinder is what you get on the image. Normally a polarizing filter decreases the amount of light through the lens with 2 stops. In the next short video you can see the effect on the blue sky when I rotate the filter. In this image I used a polarizing filter to get a more deep blue sky and more saturation and density in the colors. It was a September evening at Dovre in Norway. The sun was in a 90-degree angle on the camera, and then I had full effect of the filter. Thank you for being with me in this video, and I'll see you soon in the next.